Okay, this is the ShengShou 2x2 two-layer magic cube.
Heaven's California.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my production. I'm Kishore, and today I'm going to be making a video on my new 2x2 cube. So I just got it in this package today. So I believe it's a 2x2. So I actually opened the tape already. I can't wait. So I'm just starting this video right away. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to also be testing it and stuff. Yeah. Okay, this is the ShengShou 2x2 two-layer magic cube. That's what it's written over here. Yeah, so let's see. New structure never logged. Okay, random stuff. If you want, you can read all this. Okay, I don't really care. Anyways, let's just open the box. Okay, I don't care. Oh, this is the 2x2. So, oh. Okay, this is pretty good. Okay, so I just recently got into cubing. It's pretty nice. So, oh, we have this solution to ShengShou cube 2x2. Okay, look at this. The back. So yeah, I'm going to be jumbling it and solving it. I don't really know how to solve it. So okay, yeah. So okay, I know the first layer, how to get the white. So let me just do that. So I'll also be making a video once I learn how to do it. Okay, so here are the cases and stuff. So written over here. And for the next stage, yeah. So I got the first layer. Let's see this. Okay, let's see one of the cases. So I got the sixth case, it seems, from here. So A prime, U prime, F prime, U, F, R. Now I got the third case. No, I got the fourth case. Prime, U prime, again F prime, U, F, R. Now I got the seventh case. This is the last case. There we go. We solved the color. The top. Okay, now I have to just permute the last layer. It's written here, so we have to hold the solved color, this one, back and do this. L, F prime, L, B2, L prime, F, L, B2, L2. Okay, and then just the AUF. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, so I just got to solving this cube, and now I'm going to be testing my records in solving this. So yeah, let me switch to the screen recorder. Let me just do a few solves and let's see how this goes. Okay, guys, so we are here in Cube Mania. So I was just doing the 3x3. So yeah, I've done the 2x2 a couple of times. Let me just show you. So anyways, I'm going to be doing it now. So yeah, my best is 12.28 seconds. So I'm like sub 13. So that's not like too bad for beginners, I guess. I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm going to be doing the solves now. So yeah, let's do this. I'm going to be doing a couple of solves. Yeah. Okay, I'm just inspecting right now. I'm going to be solving this. Also, like yeah, I'm going to start it right now. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, so also, as I was saying, I'm going to be making a video on the the 2x2, how to solve the 2x2. So yeah, let's see how I do this. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, okay, I made a mistake. Okay, it's going to take a while, so that's not pretty good. Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah. That took a while. I don't know. Okay, now I'm going to just do the scramble. Let me do the scramble right now. Yeah, let's start. Okay, let's see the stuff. Wait, I made something wrong. I did something wrong, not made. Okay, there we go. Actually, I did it. Wait, is it a? I think it's a +2. Oh my god, it's a +2. I have to just I had to just get the AUF. It's okay. Like yeah, I just got into cubing. It's kind of tough to like get the AUF for the 2x2. Like it's always there while permuting the last layer. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to do this scramble right now. Let's start. Oh god. Wait, what did I even do? Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's not too bad. Sub 24, I guess you can call it. I don't know. I think that sub is just for the personal best. Let me just do the next scramble. Okay, I'm just seeing the cube now, inspecting. Yeah. Wait. Ah, shit. Okay, I got the first case. Okay, I got the last case. Okay, yeah. I got an PLL skip or whatever you call it, CLL, I don't know. I just got a skip, so that was nice. Let's go. Okay, I just got a lockup. Oh yeah, so I'm doing this right now. This is taking a while. I think I'm almost done. I'm not sure. Okay, I just did a U4. I don't know what is it trying to do. Okay, yeah. Okay, that was not good. I thought I got a what do you say? I got a +2, but no. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, anyways, I'm gonna be ending the video. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, share, and favorite. That's me signing out. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye, peace, and stay awesome.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.